Hello everyone. Are you wondering what cuffed means? Let's explore. Cuffed is a term used to describe being in a committed relationship, often implying that someone has been claimed or taken. The word suggests that the person is no longer available for dating, as they are now in an exclusive partnership. Cuffed is frequently used in the context of cuffing season, a period during the colder months when people are more likely to seek out serious relationships for comfort and companionship. The term plays on the idea of being metaphorically handcuffed by a relationship, highlighting the exclusivity and commitment involved. In essence, to be cuffed is to be in a stable, committed relationship where both partners have agreed to focus on each other. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.